The Russell 2000 index tracks the performance of roughly 2000 of the smallest publicly traded companies in the US. The Russell 2000 is actually a subset of the Russell 3000 index, which is much broader than the Russell 2000 and includes about 96% of the investable US stock market. The Russell 2000 is often looked at as a key economic indicator because of its focus on small companies that mostly do business in the US. It is often cited along with more popular stock market indexes such as the S&P 500, the Dow Jones Industrial Average, and the Nasdaq Composite. The Russell 2000 is made up of small capitalization companies, which means their market capitalizations or the value of all outstanding shares are less than that of companies included in better known indexes such as the S&P 500 or the Dow that track larger companies. The median market cap of a company in the Russell 2000 was about $950 million at the end of 2022, according to FTSE Russell, which manages the index that compares with a median market cap of $2.02 billion. For the broader Russell 3000 index,